Hello everyone and welcome to this quick video. I'm making this video to announce the launch of my new channel, which is a guinea pigs channel. A few months ago we got baby guinea pigs and we decided to make a channel about them. On this new channel, which is called Cavy Curiosity, I'll link it in the description and that will be on screen in the end of the video as well. We will make videos about what these two little guys are up to, as well as some other videos with tips on how to care for guinea pigs, or the guinea pigs reacting to new things we give them, or all kinds of other guinea pig related videos. Basically, if you like cute animals and you want to watch some videos about them, you can check out Cavy Curiosity, as these two little guys are the stars of the show there. The video that has been playing in the background is one of the videos that's on their channel already, which is the first 2 months of owning guinea pigs, but there are some other videos on there as well which you can check out already, as well as more videos coming up in the next few weeks. So if you want to see more of me on YouTube, but especially if you want to see what these two guys are up to, please check out and subscribe to Cavy Curiosity, which will be linked on screen right now.